Right now I'm going to an eating competition. I am actually so late. Actually I'm 5 minutes late, but I hope they didn't start yet. Did I say eating competition? I meant cooking competition. There, chefs. I'm not late. Like a real spot for competitions. Like I didn't even know this stuff exists. Or maybe chefs get dotted their own specific tables. I don't know. Man, everyone here is so slick. The way they touch the food, it's like they're caressing it. It's smooth, man. Alright, so I'm seated up here and let me just tell you guys about the characters up here, okay? Like different shifts. Firstly, we have the dynamic duo, the sisters. It's just kind of cool name. The cool guy. This guy came late. I don't know if he'll make it. And this guy is just so serious. He's not even looking at people's dishes, not even talking to anyone. He's just focused. This guy caresses the food. He touches it like it's a delicate flower. Then we have Mama Bear over there, probably making a delicious dish. I haven't found a name for her yet. Then we have Grandma. Her dish seems to be the most creative. I don't know what she's making. And then there's this lady. She's just the best. I'm rooting for her. And then we have the chef. This guy is just a beast in the kitchen and always cleaning up his station. He's working quick, he's washing dishes, he's cooking, chopping up stuff. He's just all over the place. I think he's gonna win. And this is the master chef, the big boss. Also a judge. And there's another judge, judging people, just judging people. And they are all chef's assistants. And also the students at this academy. Taking a little break. It's kind of hot here. Summer over here just makes everything so much worse, except for pool time. But it's so hot all the time. I'm taking a little break. Man, this thing is crazy, man. You know how in an earlier video I talked about how I love my job simply because I get to do all these amazing things. I get to record these amazing events that I didn't even know of. This is the coolest part about it. This is why I love it. A cooking competition. I didn't know we had that. 15 minutes to go, everyone starts going crazy. 10 minutes, crazier. 5 minutes, everyone's losing their minds. You can even hear the noise.
Right, we should be done by now.
Alright, so we're done here. The judges are over there tasting the food. Everyone here gets to taste the food, by the way. All the chefs clean up their stations after they're done. This chef thing, I didn't know it was so professional. I didn't know that everyone here were like bosses. I mean, especially the master chef. That guy is like the big boss in the kitchen.
He's a master chef, Lana, which turns out is not nearly as gay a job as I thought it was. I mean, it's no secret agent, but it's way above architect.
I think on this plate there could have been the ratio of meat and potatoes and sauce to butternut.
In the end, he got third, she got second, and he got first. I did not expect that. Maybe I should join. Why even say that with a straight face? I have no trust in this memory card that's in the camera right now. I mean, this chef thing, I didn't know it was so professional.